on how to create a collaborative TikTok video. I'm talking about the kind of video where you have multiple people and it looks like they're passing an item to each other that you see on TikTok a lot. Like, let's say if you had a group of librarians and you wanted to have them passing books, this is how you would do a video like that. So the first thing that you need to do is have all of the people that are going to be involved record their own individual video. Their video should be 1 to 4 seconds long, and you should agree beforehand on what the videos should look like. So if you all decide that you're going to pass the books to the right, then the first person in the video will pass their book to the right, and then the next person in the video will make it look like they're taking their book from their left and passing it to their right, and so on. Or you can just do a more simple one and just have everybody just show their book and then drop it so it falls out of the screen. So you can do it any way you want. Once everyone has recorded their own individual 1 to 4 second long video, they're going to send it all their videos to one person, and that one person is going to stitch them together into a single video. And that person can use any video editing software that they like. I personally like to just do it directly in TikTok, but you can do it in any video editor that you want to. Okay, so once you have all of your videos saved to your device, you can go ahead and open your video editor. So I'm going to use TikTok to show you how to do it. So once you open your video editor, you're going to select the videos you want to include. So I'm going to open my editor here with the plus sign at the bottom. And then I'm going to click the upload button. And I'm going to choose the videos I want to include. So I'm just going to choose these 3 videos to use as an example. And I'll click next. And now TikTok is going to merge those together in what is called the sound sync section. So this is where you'll notice TikTok will actually have stitched your 3 pictures together, and it actually adds a sound on its own that it thinks matches up well, and then it syncs the videos to that sound. So you can see the ones listed at the bottom here, it's suggesting songs to you. You can also click more and choose any song you want, and TikTok will just connect your videos to the song, so when the song changes speed or pitch, your videos will switch. So it's kind of like an auto video creator, and so if you like what it comes up with, you can click next and be done with this section. But if you wanted to do, if you wanted to control it a little bit more, you can click on default, and that will actually let you choose how fast the videos go by. And I prefer to do it in default because I just prefer it. So you can do whichever way you want, but I'm going to click on default. Now it will let you change the videos one by one. You can trim them, you can change their speed, you can change their duration. So you see my 3 videos listed at the bottom. If I hold the first one down and then drag it, I can change the order of the videos. And I can also trim them to make them shorter. So I'll start with the first video and click on it, and you can see here you can edit the video. You can use the pink handles to trim the video to make it shorter. You can use the little clock icon to speed the video up if you want to make it go faster. So you see if I click 2 times, the video goes from 1.6 seconds long to 8 seconds because it gets sped up. Okay, so when I'm doing a video drop one, I usually like to edit it so that I'm pulling the trimmer up so that I want the video to end as soon as the book exits the screen. So you see she's dropping the book, you can see it dropping, and now it's no longer in the screen. So that's where I would like to edit it to. And I click the check mark. I can do the same to the third one. I can decide that I want it to start a little later. Maybe I want it to start here. Maybe I want it to end here. Okay. Maybe I want to make it quicker. So just depending on how long you want your videos to be. So click the check mark button, and now here's my video. All 3 are stitched together. So I can click the next button when I'm done with that, and then it takes you to the final screen. On the final screen here is where you can add sound, effects, text, or stickers. So I'm going to show you the text and stickers. So if you want to add a text message, you can click the text button at the bottom. and then type in your message. And then you can add background color to the text so it shows up more clearly against the video by clicking this A button over here. And then you can also change the color with any of the color circles. So if you want it to have a purple background, or green background, orange, whatever. And then you can click done. And you can use your finger to drag the text wherever in the screen you want. And you can also pinch your fingers apart to make it bigger or smaller. One piece of advice, if you're using TikTok, don't put your text in this area in the bottom. And don't put it on the side, on the right-hand side here, because it will get covered by the buttons that TikTok adds. So you always want to kind of keep it in the left or the top section. So I'm going to put it up here. And then you can also add stickers. Down at the bottom there's a sticker button, and you can search through and see if there are any stickers that you want. Like I'm going to search book here, and I found this little pile of books, so I'm going to put them on my video down here. Okay, so those are the text and the stickers. You can also add sounds. So if you clicked on sounds, it will suggest sounds to you. And so let me do that. So these sounds are ones it's suggesting that TikTok thinks will match up with the movements on your video well. So you can choose from here if you don't have a specific sound you want. And if you do have a specific song or sound, you can click the more icon. And you can choose, any sound that you want. You can just search through trending songs, or you can look for specific songs. So whatever you want to do with that, you find your song, you click it, and it will add the song to the video for you. So I'm going to just do that to show you what it sounds like. You won't be able to hear me talk when I do this, so I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to show you. I'm going to click on sounds and choose a sound so you can see how it works. Alright, so I'm going to choose one of their suggested sounds. So I'm going to choose this black and white Beetlejuice sound here. Okay, so I just turned the sound back off because I want to be able to talk. And it is really important when you choose a sound, if you're choosing a sound, that you click the volume button and you turn the original sound off, because you can see here I turned the original sound off so that it doesn't compete with the sound that I'm adding. So I'll turn the original sound on so you could see what I mean. Could be blue. Could be blue. So you see how you wouldn't want to have the sounds that were included on the original videos there, because they'll compete with the new sound. Alright, so once you've added your sounds and everything, and you're done adding stickers and text, you can click the next button. And if you're going to use TikTok, you can decide whether you want to post it publicly or privately. So if you post it publicly, that means anyone on TikTok will be able to find it, and also that it will get pushed out to their feeds. You'll also be able to download it and share it in other places if you want. If you choose private, it means that on TikTok, only you will be able to see it, but you will be able to download it off of TikTok and then reshare it wherever you want. So if you don't really want to post it on TikTok, you don't have to. You can click private and then click post and give it a minute. Okay. All right, so it has uploaded. At the top it says uploaded. So I'm going to go to my account and you'll see it there. See how it's posted here and it has the little lock symbol so you know it's private. So you can click on it and you can click the three little dots and you can click the save video button, and that will save it to your device so that you can then go ahead and add it onto a web page, upload it into a newsletter, share it on Instagram, Twitter, whatever you want to do with it from there. You can save it onto your device and do anything you want with the video from there. So that is how you create a collaborative TikTok in TikTok. So happy creation, everyone. Bye.